Day 1369 of the push-up challenge, 22 for vets. This is Marvin, aka Marv, gonna do my push-ups. But first, a quick message: rescue the bird. I say this because my wife rescued a baby crow that fell from my nest today, and of course, we couldn't just leave it there to die. So she got it and is nurturing it until it's able to fly off by itself. The relationship or something that you can take away from that is sometimes you can help others that won't necessarily be able to help you, but you just do it because you're a good citizen, you're helpful. So think about that. More about that on my Instagram. Now into my push-ups. Let's go. There we have it, that's 40. Let me know if you want to join me and hold you accountable. Remember, rescue the bird. This is Marvin. Peace out.